This is the Launbot, a compact device that does far more than you can think. This little all-in-one device dries, straightens, and refreshes your clothes in just minutes. You just hang your clothes, press a button, and then this device handles everything from drying and smoothing to odor removal. Let's see the 10 more things you need to know about this cool gadget. Number 1, this device does the job of two major devices, the dryer and the iron. And we all know how time-consuming these tasks are. To get this done, you just hang your clothes on the device after washing them. Launbot will handle all the burden of drying and smoothing. Number 2, the device has a smart AI system that adjusts itself and sets the right temperature, airflow, and timing for each fabric. This gives peace of mind and helps prevent overheating and damage. Number 3, its dual turbine system pushes stable, powerful airflow through your clothes, helping them dry faster without trapping heat. Number 4, it uses graphene heater technology. The heater warms up quickly, uses less power, and keeps a consistent temperature to dry your clothes safely. Number 5, everything is hands-free. Simply select a mode, walk away, and do your other tasks. Launbot handles everything. The sensors adjust the whole process automatically. Number 6, the device uses UVC light and airflow to reduce microorganisms and mites. This refreshes clothes without needing to wash them again and again. Number 7, you can use this tool on any fabric, cotton, denim, wool, silk, or even a leather jacket. It's safe for all materials. Number 8, you can dry up to 5 items at once. The drying bag holds multiple small items, saving time and letting you dry more clothes at once. Number 9, the device is compact and operates at just 45 decibels, which is quieter than most home appliances. Plus, it weighs just 265 grams, making it travel-friendly for road trips, hotels, or long work travel. Lastly, at number 10, Launbot also adds a fresh, refreshing scent during the drying process. As a result, there are no bad or storage odors to fight with. The 3 specialized attachments make it easy to dry different types of items. That's everything you need to know about this cool gadget. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more new gadget videos.